Let's take it over to Mike Patton, the head trader at Funder Trading for the final trade of the day. Mike, what's on your trader radar?
Oh, on my radar is the Goodyear company. Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company is the full name. Symbol is G as in George, T as in Tom. The company's stock is currently trading around $7.80 a share, $7.90 a share, somewhere in that range. But looks like this stock is at a pretty good bargain. Now, recently it did have a pretty sharp drop after some earnings, but it looks like right now it's at a price point that's pretty good. So looking at it, we're seeing an increase in institutional ownership, an increase in buying pressure. We're also seeing it being added to some top 10 lists. Also, right now, it's at a really strong valuation compared to what we've seen over the years. And earnings look like they're going to grow, not as fast as they were thinking before that earnings. That's where they adjusted the projections down. But it still looks like we're looking for growth. And as of right now, it looks like we have upside to maybe $11 and change, possibly up to $15 in the near term. So pretty good upside potential. But in terms of downside risk, I would say that if the stock trades down to about $7 a share, that would imply that things are not quite as bullish as they look right now. But otherwise, if it does stay the course, it looks like it's got pretty good upside.
I think of Goodyear Tire as a solid American company.
It is. It definitely is.
But what could drive the price lower? Is the threat of tariffs there for Goodyear, or is Goodyear good?
I always think tariffs are going to affect everything. They have to. It's such a globalized world economy, so I can't say specifically what would be an impact, but I would say firmly it's already been priced in. We've had almost 6 months now since Liberation Day, so I think that by this point, everyone has already factored that in, the potential impact. Obviously, there could be some surprises, but I think most of the surprises would come more on the consumer side in terms of if prices stay up or increase. I think that will have an impact on sales. But other than that, I think the price differences or the price impacts have already been priced in.
That's why we talk to the pros. Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely.